Chief Justice is ordering a local judge and a top prosecutor into mediation. The two are locked in a legal battle that has brought criminal cases in the judge's courtroom to a standstill. WLKY's Mark Vanderhoff has been following the controversy and joins us now live. And Mike, this battle, Mark, has been fought on basically two fronts, correct?
That's right. There are really two issues going on here. One is whether or not Judge Olu Stevens had the authority to dismiss an all-white jury. And the second is whether or not Judge Stevens can remain impartial in his criminal cases. This order today really had to do with that second issue.
The court can be fair and impartial. That's an obligation to be, an oath to be, and we'll do so in this case and any other case.
That's Circuit Court Judge Olu Stevens declining to recuse himself from a criminal case in November. Commonwealth's attorney Tom Wine subsequently asked Kentucky Supreme Court to remove Stevens from all pending and future criminal cases. On Wednesday, Chief Justice John Minton signed an order requiring Stevens and Wine to participate in mediation. The legal battle between Stevens and Wine started more than 1 year ago when Stevens dismissed an all-white jury.
The concern is that the panel was not representative of the community, although it was randomly selected.
Stevens dismissed the jury after a white defense attorney argued his black client could not receive a fair trial. That prompted Wine to seek a legal opinion from the Kentucky Supreme Court on whether Stevens had the authority to dismiss the jury. Stevens took to Facebook criticizing Wine's move. That's when Wine asked the Supreme Court to remove Stevens from his criminal cases.
The rules of conduct that apply to judges, and quite frankly apply to prosecutors, that you can only say certain things.
Wine declined an interview request, but issued a statement Wednesday that read, "I appreciate the work of the Chief Justice in reviewing this serious matter. I reserve further comment until after the mediation has been conducted and the Chief Justice has had the opportunity to review the mediation report." And Rick, Judge Stevens was not in his courtroom today, but he has said in the past that he cannot speak with reporters about this controversy. And again, this order today really has to do with the issue about whether or not Judge Stevens should be recused from his criminal cases. The Supreme Court has still not weighed in on whether or not Judge Stevens had the authority to dismiss an all-white jury. Live at the Judicial Center, Mark Vanderhoff, WLKY News.
All right, thanks, Mark. Louisville Metro Police